We're in a Lamborghini Gallardo. What's your favorite supercar?
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. My name is Marlene and I'm here today with Arnold. Hi Arnold.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Can you tell us a little bit about your car today?
It's a 1965 Oldsmobile 442. I've owned it since 1973. It's been in my possession, so I was the second owner. I bought it from the original owner, upstate New York, and then I brought it out here when I got transferred out here to Illinois.
Tell me a little bit about the paint of the car.
The paint is the original color. It's called turquoise mist. Very common for Oldsmobile in 65. The interior is called fawn, which is a light tan.
And any upgrades to the interior or anything?
No, everything on the car is original the way it was, other than repainted new upholstery, but it's all original car.
Tell me a little bit about the wheels and the rim.
The wheels are the steel rims with what the hubcaps they call dog dish hubcaps because they look like dog dish. Hard to find those because most people got rid of them and put custom wheels on their car.
Tell me a little bit about the engine of the car.
The engine is a 400 cubic inch Oldsmobile engine with 345 horse. It's all original.
Any modifications to it?
No, it's all the same serial number that came in the car. The engine was rebuilt, but no modifications internally to it.
And have you ever let your significant other drive it?
No, she's not able to drive 4-speed transmissions. My sons can drive it because they're part of the family, but she's not able to drive it.
How many miles do you have in the car?
It's about 83,500, give or take, on it right now. It's all original miles.
All right, well, thank you so much for the interview.
Very good. Thanks for coming today.
Please enjoy the next video.